Welcome Asato Syudo. I unlocked the door for you. Please come in.
So what happens when a stranger approaches the door?
You are an unauthorized visitor. The door will remain locked. Please step away from the door.
It turns out the stranger was my friend Mike. Let's add him to my family and friends list, so next time he visits, the door will recognize him. Here, I take a picture of Mike. And now you can see he is in my family and friends list.
Welcome Mike. I unlocked the door for you. Please come in.
Jarvis also helps me get ready in the morning. Fresh shirt.
Fire in the hole.
Hell yeah. Jarvis knows when to make me breakfast.
Your toast is ready.
Alright. It's time for my call with Shrek. Can you get him on the video conference line?
Setting up the DC room now. Remember to check on the AI guidance system for Aquila.
One of the best things about Jarvis is it could recognize people at the gate, let them in automatically, and then just tell me about it.
Mark, your parents are coming in.
Thanks, Jeffrey.
It's Jarvis.
If I don't want to talk, I can just text Jarvis through a messenger bot that I built.
Mark, I'm trying to read in here.
Yeah, my bad.